Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this summer easy look for you guys using the Jouer Tan Lines palette. So if you guys want to see how I do and completed this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so today I'm going to be using the Jouer Tan Lines palette. This came out quite a bit ago and I've actually been using this quite a bit, honestly. I actually really like it, so I wanted to do a quick little look for you guys today because it's been a minute since I've done a tutorial. So it is going to be a pretty easy one, just so you guys know. But yeah, so I'm going to use my JH33 and I'm going to dip into the first shade. It's called Beachaholic. It's this peachy nude shade right here, and I'm actually gonna keep you guys in my old filming spot for now, just because right after this I do want to film a empties video. So after this video goes live, like 2 days later, you guys will be able to see my 5th empties video. It's been almost a year and I have quite a bit of empties. I didn't realize how many I had and how long it's been, but it's been a minute. So I'm using this shade as my transition and just kind of like a base color. The nice thing about this palette is it's not like crazy pigmented. It's definitely one, like a formula that you build up and it can be like however you want it to be. So you can get like a nice wash of color, or you can build it up to be pretty pigmented, which I think is kind of nice. I feel like Too Faced shadows are kind of that way. Unlike like Anastasia, for example, even Natasha Denona, I feel like those are both formulas that are like super pigmented, so as soon as you place the product, like you have a crap ton of pigment on your eye. So I kind of like having both types of palettes in my collection because today is a day that I just want to do something easy and quick and just kind of like enjoy getting ready. So that is why I decided to use this palette for you guys today. So next, with this exact same brush, like I said, it's going to be super easy today. I'm going to go in with the shade Heat Wave. Let me flash it on the screen. It's just the pretty pink shade right there. And I'm going to put this in my crease as well and do like a nice wash of color. The last time I used this palette, I did a, like I used this shade Tide Pool, and then I used like the lime green and the yellow, and it was pretty fun. And I posted on my story and Jouer shared it on their story, which was kind of cool. I really like Jouer as a company. I've tried their foundation and it is like super full coverage. I feel like it works better with oily skin. So I'm kind of hoping they release like a dry skin friendly foundation because I really liked how it looked, but I feel like after a couple of hours my skin looked too dry, so I never ended up buying the full size. Beautylist was kind enough to send me like 3 or 4 shades. I don't remember. It's been like years. It was like whenever the foundation just came out. And I really liked it. I really want to try their concealer, but like their blush palettes are great. I like their lip toppers. I just always forget to reach for them because I need to redo my drawers that I have back there of my lip products, because there's stuff that I'd love to use, but I just forget I have it. Because it's like, if you don't see it, you're not going to use it. And that's one of my biggest issues. That's why I have lipstick towers, because I do go through and I will pick out lipsticks every day to use and like throw in my purse for the day. But I don't do that with those. But like Skinny Dip is really nice. That's been like one of my OG faves. And yeah, I really want to use it. I really want to try out their highlighters too. I've heard they're really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade of Vitamin C. But first I'm going to wet my brush before I go in, just so I don't get hopefully too much fallout. I'm using the JH41 brush. Like I said, I am going to wet it real quick. Okay, so I wet my brush, and like I said, I'm going in with this shade. It's called Vitamin C. It is super pretty. This palette just screams summer to me, and I'm really happy that I picked it up. It's just like an easy palette. Like I kind of want to bring this when I go to the lake with my dad and siblings. Alright, I'm gonna wet this again because this is one of those shades like I feel like it does better when it's wet for some reason. I don't know. I haven't tried other Jouer palettes. I really want to, but this is one that like I really want. I've been trying to get better and like slow down my buying. Like I haven't even bought the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette because I know we're saving money and everything and trying to pay off our debt that we have so we can get a house. And Like, I hope he keeps restocking it because I know I want that palette in my collection, but like I don't need it yet. So I'm hoping at some point I can pick it up, but it's not like a need or anything like that. And it's kind of pricey, so I kind of held off. But I really want the Skinny Dip palette from Jouer. I know it's like kind of a couple years old, but like I've heard such great things about that. And everyone says you can just pair it with other palettes, which I like to do. Generally, I do like sticking with one palette. Like for tutorials, I just feel like it's easier if you guys like follow along, and it just makes it easier if someone's like wanting to buy a palette or something, or if they have it in their collection already. It just makes sense, but when I just do my makeup to get ready, I will reach for multiple palettes, if that makes sense. So like I'll do like this everyday look I do. It's like a little bit of purple but neutrals. So I reached for 2 different Viseart palettes. It's the Amethyst and then like the neutral mattes, and then I'll create my everyday look, and I really like that, like how it comes out. So I feel like I would really like pairing the Skinny Dip palette with like the Viseart neutral mattes. Like I feel like it could be really pretty. Okay, so next I'm going to go back in with Heat Wave on that first brush, and the only other brush we use, and just kind of go back in my crease. And I'm just going to sweep away any fallout that we got. I honestly don't look like I got any. Alright, and it's going to take everything in me, but I don't want to go in and use that brown driftwood shade. So I'm not going to. On my lower lash line, I do want to use the Mint Lime Green, and that's the only shade I'm going to use. So I'm going to go in with the shade Limelight over here, and I'm using it the JH40, and I'm just going to sweep this under my lower lash line. I really like using this shade on my lower lash line just to kind of give like an extra pop of different color. I just feel like it's so pretty. And don't worry, I'm going to use liner today before I throw on lashes and things. I'm just kind of taking it to the outer corner. Okay, so for liner, I'm using my Pat McGrath Labs. This is the shade Black Coffee. It's their gel liners. These are like my favorite gel liners. They surpass Marc Jacobs for me. I do wish the price wasn't this bad, because I feel like I go through these decently quick. Like I wish they lasted longer, or like you got a bigger pencil, but it is what it is. Alright, so liner is done, and I feel like my eyes just look so like beady at the moment until I get lashes and mascara on. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. This has quickly become my favorite mascara. I actually really like it. I know some people like hate it and don't think it really does anything, but I feel like it just like gives my lashes so much volume, and I appreciate that. Okay, and then real quickly off camera, I'm going to apply some lashes while I decide what I'm going to wear, and then I'll come back and tell you guys what I'm wearing. Alright, so on my eyes, I am wearing the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. And then for my lips, I am wearing the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Bel Air. This is like my perfect lip color, but like it's like your lips but better type of color for me, and I'm gonna start keeping this on my vanity because I actually really like it. And then I put the Jouer lip topper in Skinny Dip that I was mentioning before, and I really like this combo. I think it looks really nice and summery. So that is it for this quick, easy tutorial. I will have all the products that I'm wearing on my face linked down below. They will be my RewardStyle links. I do make a small commission if you make any sort of purchase on any of the sites through those links. So if you guys do, I really appreciate it, but obviously you don't have to. Just letting you know, it helps me out, and I do make a small commission. But yeah, so that is it. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up so I know what kind of things you guys want to see next on my channel. What else? Oh, be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. I post every single day. I try to be active on my stories. You guys can interact with me more there, like DMs, all that, like being, not like getting to know you guys. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!